Hello, dear students, sixth graders. This is going to be worksheet number 5. So the topic today is family members. The date is March 2021. So it's March 15, 2021. The objective is I can talk about family members. Today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Well, that depends on the day you do this activity. Well, the first part is, well, here we have the title, that's family members. So, write the words in English. Escribir en inglés 2 veces debajo de cada dibujo la palabra en inglés, okay? So, mom, mother, se puede escribir así, mother, madre, mom, mom, father, dad, daddy, grandmother, granny, grandma, grandfather, granddad, grandpa, brother, sister, niece, nephew, aunt, uncle, cousin, my parents, wife, husband, grandparents. So, escribimos 2 veces la palabra debajo de cada dibujo en inglés. No, it's in English, okay? It's not Spanish. Answer the questions about you. How many means cuántos, okay? So, what's your name? About you. I'm sorry. What's your mom's name? ¿Cuál es el nombre de tu mamá? Her name is. What's your dad's name? El nombre de tu papá. His name is. Her sería el su de ella. Su nombre de quién de ella. His, no, su de él. El nombre de quién de tu papá. How many es cuántos. How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? So I have 1 brother, I have 2 brothers. So what you're going to write here is a number. For example, you're going to write 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers, or I have 3 brothers, or I have 1 brother. Okay, that's it. How many sisters do you have? ¿Cuántas hermanas tienes? I have 1 sister, 2 sisters. How many cousins do you have? ¿Cuántos primos tienes? I have 20 cousins. I don't know how many cousins I have, but I'm going to write this as an example. I have 20 cousins. How many uncles do you have? How many aunts do you have? ¿Cuántos tíos, cuántas tías tienes? How many grandparents? ¿Cuántos abuelos tienes? I have, for example, I have 1 grandma or 2 grandmas. And grandpas, I don't know, número de abuelas, grandmas, y abuelos, grandpas. Do you have any nieces or nephews? ¿Tienes sobrinas y sobrinos? Si no tienes ninguna de las dos, encierras. No, I don't. Si tienes algunas sobrinas o una, I have 1 niece, or I have 2 nieces, pones el número de sobrinas. Yes, I have nephews, sobrinos. You can say I have 1 nephew, or I have 2 nephews. That's it. Then we're going to have reading comprehension about Sally's family, la familia de Sally. Debemos leer esta texto o lectura. Respondemos con la información del texto. How old is Sally? What's her mom's name? What's her mom's profession? How old is her mom? What's her dad's name? How old is her dad? What's his dad's job? How many brothers does Sally have? How many sisters does Sally have? How many uncles does Sally have? How many aunts does Sally have? What's Uncle Juan's occupation? What's Uncle Scarlett's occupation? What's Susan's job? What's Anna's job? What's Mary's job? What's Grandpa Joseph's job? Pregunta por sus trabajos, job o occupation, that's ocupaciones. Okay, I'm going to read this. Sally's family. Hello, my name is Sally. I am 13 years old. I live with my parents, my mom, my dad, my brother, and sisters. My mom's name is Jane. She's 36 years old and she is a nurse. My dad's name is Miguel. He is 40 years old. He's a fireman. I have two sisters and one brother. My sisters' names are Sophia and Valeria. Sophia is 10 years old and Valeria is 15 years old. My brother's name is Felipe. He is 5 years old. I have two uncles. Their names are Carlos and Juan. My uncle Carlos is a cook and my uncle Juan is a farmer. I have three aunts. Their names are Mary, Anna, and Susan. Mary is a businesswoman. Anna is an engineer, and Susan is a singer. I love my grandparents. I have two grandparents and two grandmothers. My grandfather's names are Joseph and Mike. Grandpa Joseph is a musician, and Grandpa Mike is a police officer. My grandmother's names are Christine and Rachel. Grandma Christine is 63 years old, and she is a dressmaker. Finally, Grandma Rachel is 60 years old and she is a designer. Then we need to answer the questions about the reading. Well, and then finally this is about you. Complete the text about you. Completas el texto acerca de cada uno de ustedes. Hello, my name is, mi nombre es, I live with, vivo con. Debes escribirlos, for example, I live with my mom, mi mamá, my mom in English, not Spanish, my dad, my brother, mi hermano, okay, my sister, and my pet, mi mascota, okay? So this is what you're going to do, okay? Escribir quiénes son los miembros de tu familia o con quién vives tú. My mom's name is, el nombre de mi mamá es, she's years old, la edad, el número. My dad's name is, el nombre de mi papá es, he's years old, la edad, el número y en letra, los dos. I have brothers, I have sisters, pones el número de hermanos, y si no tienes hermanas o hermanos, I have zero sisters, or I have 0 sisters, okay? I have cousins, tengo primos, ¿cuántos primos escribes el número? Preferiría que fueran en letra, si tengo 10 primos, I have 10 cousins, okay? I have aunts, I have 4 aunts, for example, tengo 4 tías, I have uncles, I have grandpas, I have grandmas, I have nieces, excuse me, sobrinas, okay, número de sobrinas. Si no tienes sobrinas, I have 0 nieces, okay. I have nephews, sobrinos, ¿cuántos sobrinos? I have a pet, mascota. For example, a dog pet. Tienes una mascota, como un perro como mascota. I have a cat pet. Okay, this is my family. So here you can put a picture of your family. You can put a family photo, and that's it. Thank you very much, dear students, and that's it. Basically, tenemos vocabulario de lo que ya hemos visto, la edad, miembros de la familia que acabamos de revisar. También tenemos las profesiones de cada uno. For example, my mom's name is Jane. She is a nurse, enfermera. My dad's name is Miguel, and he's a fireman. That's a bombero. Okay. Y cada uno pues tiene la profesión que corresponde. My uncle Carlos is a cook. Mi tío Carlos es un chef. Cook es un chef o cocinero. Excuse me. My uncle Juan is a farmer. Es un granjero, farmer. Mary is a businesswoman. Mary es una mujer de negocios. Anna is an engineer. Ana es una ingeniera. Susan is a singer. Susan es cantante. Grandpa Joseph is a musician. El abuelo Joseph es un músico. Grandpa Mike is a police officer. El abuelo Mike es un police officer, policía, sorry. Grandma Christine is a dressmaker. La abuela Christine es una confeccionista o que hace ropa. Grandma Rachel is a designer. La abuela Rachel es diseñadora, designer. Es vocabulario que ya vimos de las profesiones en la anterior actividad. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. Bye bye.